bomb inside Mako Reactor 1. Multiple explosions have been confirmed, as well as ongoing fire. In response, a disaster warning has been issued in sectors 1 and 8. Structures in the area are at high risk of collapse, rendering the entire sector hazardous. Immediate evacuation is advised.
Cloud! Up here! Look up! I said look up! Careful up here. This could collapse at any moment. If you want up, you'll have to use those stairs.
I repeat.
My son lives on. Can you hear me? Where's that stretcher?
Where are you? Roll dice. There's a shit show over there, too.
Keep pounding them.
Get over here.
Station's intact. It couldn't be. But then... the hell? Wait. You're not real. You're dead.
I am.
I killed you with my own...
Oh, you need not remind me. It was the crowning moment of our time together. But that was then, and this is now. I have a favor to ask. Our beloved planet is dying. Slowly. Silently. Painfully. Can you bear to see the planet suffer? Cloud. Were the planet to die, so many things would be lost. Your hometown burns so bright. The sound of her voice, pleading for me to spare you. The shiver of her flesh, yielding to cold steel. That which binds us together would be no more, and I would be loath to live in such a world, which is why I must ask you this one favor. Don't worry, it's a simple thing. Run, Cloud. Run away. You have to leave. You have to live.
You bastard! Yeah!
Good, Cloud. Very good. Hold on to that hatred.
I'm seeing things. Fumes from all the Mako, maybe. All right. You got this.
I'm gonna miss my train! We have to get out of here!
The occupants of buildings in the vicinity of the
There's no way we're getting out of this.
You are advised to vacate the area immediately. The explosions at the reactor have caused numerous ongoing fires. Many homes are at risk. It is not safe to remain indoors. Please leave your residences at once. I repeat. This is an alert from the Shipa Emergency Operations Center. An evacuation order has been issued to the occupants of buildings in the vicinity of the Sector 8 Expressway.
Man, what a mess.
You are advised to vacate the area immediately.
The reactor.
The explosions at the reactor have caused numerous ongoing fires. Many homes are at risk.
Once you're on the street, you want to head for the plaza with the fountain. The station's not too far.
I repeat. This is an alert from the Shipa Emergency Operations Center. Evacuation order has been issued to the occupants. You are advised to vacate the area immediately. The explosions at the reactor. Emergency operations.
Don't let the intruder
Security's
escape.
everywhere.
You are too weak to save anyone. Not even yourself.
Are you okay? Hey, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Here, this is for you.
Huh? A flower?
That's right. It's a gift. You know, for scaring those things away.
What things?
Never mind. Think of it as a memento.
Just my luck.
I heard that, you know.
How much?
Well, that depends on the customer. In your case... it's on the house.
Huh?
Lovers used to give these when they were reunited.
Look, I'm involved in things. Dangerous things.
Oh, I'm sure you are. So?
So keep your distance.
Wait, you think someone's out to get you? Is that what you're all worked up about? Relax. No one's going to attack you. I promise.
Hey, a Mako reactor just blew. You shouldn't be out here trying to
are they?
Drop your weapon!
Are you blind?
You know, you're right.
Wait!
Nice meeting you.
Sword on the ground! Right now!
Enough! See ya. That's that. That's that. Let's go.
Emergency Operations Center. An evacuation order has been issued to the officers and buildings in the vicinity of the Sector 8 Expressway.
There he is! You're not going anywhere!
Enough.
Eyes on the target. We need backup.
That's that. See ya. Nothing to it.
All clear. Show me your hands!
That's that. No holding back. You're done. You're mine. Was never in doubt.
Are instructed immediately. If you need to access the premises, please take a detour and avoid the plaza near me. Train services may be
Just give it up! Don't run!
All right.
Box him in! Box him in! There's nowhere to run!
Going in. That's that. Enough.
Target sighted! I repeat, target sighted! Stormtroopers, prep for immediate deployment!
Grenade up!
It's over. That's that.
Troopers on standby!
Still
You
in.
are clear to engage! Be advised, target is headed for the station!
Need a light.
Got you! Watch out!
Enemy combatant force around! Lay down your weapon and surrender!
Got you!
It's over. That's that. It's over.
Don't let him escape! Give up!
Provide immediate support.
Enough. It's over.
Target still mobile. Support. Proceed to rally point at the station.
But the rooftops look clear.
Blockades have been erected throughout the area to avoid accidents. Prompt attacks, officers, instructions, and advice. I repeat. This is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations Center.
Don't let him get away!
For the safety
No matter what!
is ready. Security has been used around Fountain Plaza. Blockades have been erected throughout the area to avoid accidents.
We got you now!
Let's do this. It's over. Let's do this. See ya.
Message from aerial recon. They want us to lock down the station area.
That's that. See
Damn it!
I'd be better off trying my luck somewhere else.
Emergency Operations Center. An evacuation order has been issued to the offices and buildings in the vicinity of the Sector 8 Expressway. You are advised to vacate the area immediately. The explosion at the
Looks like the station's crawling with public security.
Over there! Open fire! Shoot to kill!
Close call.
Be advised. Target approaching residential area. Seal all access immediately.
Target sighted! Get him!
It's all or nothing now.
Don't underestimate him!
Here we go. Enough.
Take that!
That's that. That it?
I see him!
See ya. Not bad.
Confirmed. Target has entered residential area. Full lockdown is in effect. All units.
Have eyes on the target! You're mine now!
Target spotted! Moving to intercept!
Give it up! Shield range!
Enemy combatants, you have been warned. Surrender yourself to public security immediately.
Good as dead!
You have nowhere to run.
No holding back. Going in.
lifeblood! I'm gonna enjoy this!
Get ready. Enough. That's that. It's over. That's that. See ya. It's over. Enough.
I'm ready!
See ya. Not looking good.
Can't take me!
All good. Won't last long.
Back off! Ready whenever.
No escape. All right.
I'll break you.
Need a light. You're mine. Let's get this over with.
Snot-nosed punk! Move in! Don't let him escape! HQ, this is Sector 8, Unit 2. Target is surrounded. Moving to secure. Wait! I know that...
Guess Cloud won't be joining us after all.
No need to assume the worst. I'm sure he's fine. You saw him in action, didn't you? Guy's a soldier. Goddamn one-man army.
You think he's a keeper?
On my go. You had me worried for a minute. What the hell you been up to, huh?
Giving public security the runaround. That's what. Had to draw them away from the station somehow.
Nicely done.
Well, can't argue with results, huh? What?
Wait. Got a question for you all.
What?
Ever been attacked by an invisible enemy?
What?
Wearing robes. Came and went like the wind.
Thought they were invisible.
They were, at first. Only saw them after she grabbed me.
A new Shinra weapon, maybe?
More like a panic-induced hallucination.
Never mind. Forget I said anything.
Suit yourself. Come on, let's move up.
A lot of people here.
And in the freight car, too.
Because of the evacuation order, maybe?
Lucky us. We've got a crowd to hide in. Head for the front of the train and hold there.
At Mako Reactor 1, an emergency schedule is now in effect. Your understanding and cooperation is appreciated.
Maybe the freight car's not so bad.
Wow, who'd have thought there'd be people riding in the freight car?
Stop that right now!
Do
something like that. The flames were brighter than the sun.
No, there won't be
So
any heating in
cramped.
the office.
Sector 8 will be back to normal in no time. It has to be.
Are you
Stop that right
now!
I thought it was.
I'm trying to work here.
No thief's getting my money.
Man, everyone's on edge.
Of course they are.
Hey, Cloud.
If you're about to unburden yourself, don't.
Yeesh. You don't make it easy.
Stop that right now!
Where is it?
Sorry to disturb you.
Hey, got a sec?
The
You're,
perpetrators yet.
holding up pretty well, huh? Even after what we saw at the station and all over Sector 8?
I'm a soldier.
Wow.
You see, my daughter
My
now
hands
lives
are
in
still
Sector 8,
shaking.
so
You get used to it.
Something to look forward to. Or maybe not.
have they caught the perpetrators yet?
Little help, Cloud? Please? I can't stop thinking about it. The bomb I made shouldn't have produced an explosion that big. It doesn't make any sense.
The explosion triggered a reaction with the Mako. You said so yourself.
That was my first
Good thing
guess,
there'll be
but shouldn't a
electricity
reactor have fail-safes to prevent that kind of thing?
Sector 7's affected too.
You mentioned invisible enemies back there, right?
Right.
No. I'm just looking for excuses for something that was clearly my own fault. Gotta own up to it if I'm gonna learn from this and move on. Thanks, Cloud. You're a good listener.
What kind of maniacs would go so far as to bomb a reactor?
They've yet to announce it publicly, but I heard it was Avalanche's doing.
Really? Aren't they the terrorists who tried to kill the president?
Is there nothing they won't do?
Hey, quit talking out your ass. Everyone knows Avalanche only cares about saving the planet.
Just who do you think you are?
A law-abiding, concerned citizen.
Law-abiding? Really?
Shh. Don't antagonize him.
In my humble opinion, that explosion was a message. A message to the bastards bleeding our planet dry. Think they got it? Heard it loud and clear? Y'all's masters?
We will not submit to intimidation or violence, but work together for peace and prosperity. That is how civilized people change the world!
That's right.
That is the Shinra Creed.
Them's fighting words.
It's what we believe. We all have to follow our conscience, don't we?
We should go.
Right.
Oh dear.
Man, this train is slower than the last.
You hear that, suit? Shinra Creed my ass.
Let's get this out of the way. Personally, I find visual aids make the dull stuff a lot more bearable. If it helps, think of it as an initiation rite.
How many times do I have to tell you people? I'm not...
There's such a thing as playing too hard to get. So, here we've got a wireframe model of the great city of Midgar, complete with massive steel plates suspended 300 meters above ground level, atop which stands a shining beacon of civilization. The whole system is sustained by the Mako reactors, which feed the insatiable appetites of the public.
The train will be passing through an ID checkpoint shortly.
This here is the train's route. As you can see, it'll take us around this main pillar. Look, we're about halfway through it now. They've set up a checkpoint here to scan the IDs of all passengers heading in and out. Date of birth, residential status, criminal history, all that and more is automatically cross-referenced in their databases. Public security wouldn't have it any other way. Heads up. Don't worry, our IDs are impeccable. What'd I tell ya? Have a little faith. Won't be long till we reach the bottom. Relax.
Take a good look. It's because of that great big pizza in the sky that people down there gotta struggle to survive. Shinra sucks up Mako while the soil turns to dust, the air fills with smog, and the flowers die.
Then leave and don't look back. That's what's always worked for me.
Well, that's all well and good. If you're only out for yourself. But the folks down there don't have the luxury of choice, you know?
Like this train, I suppose. There's only one way it can go.
Sweetheart.
I'm glad you're home.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Thank goodness.
Knew it couldn't be that bad. No way.
It's really bad.
Hot damn, we are good!
Yes! Bombs detonated 1, members lost 0.
And one step closer to a brighter future.
Hell yeah!
Guys! Lower your voices, huh? People are listening.
Oh, right.
Now get some R&R. You've earned it. Just be ready for the next mission, all right? See you soon. At 7th Heaven. You know, where Tifa works. Don't keep her waiting. She'll worry.
Are you sure you have
How are
to see
people
my
here
message?
taking it?
Huge explosion on
Wow, my hungry. I'm going to
Stop him.
How about it, baby girl? Train service?
So the Mako reactor...
Pulling some OT when it happened. Wanna know?
I think he's over by the TVs.
What kind of errors?
Tom Plady's only had it so
It was like a giant candle
All that
lighting up
debris
the
piled up
whole
like
sky.
mountains. You couldn't go nowhere.
Huh. Mako is the lifeblood of the planet? Yeah, the hell it is. Goddamn eco-warriors with their dumbass posters. I tear them down and they're back up inside of an hour. Like I've got nothing better to do. I mean, look at all that steel work. You trying to tell me that's not progress? What the? You okay, buddy? Mako junkie, huh? Figures.
You again.
That hot shower can't come soon enough. I can barely tell my skin from all the ash and sweat.
When I get back, it's refueling time.
And you, Jesse?
I don't know. Figure out how I screwed up?
Ha! You're such a kidder.
supplies are currently being distributed in the lobby of the Shinra building. Doctors are also
Wait, this is
stationed in the
real?
building to
It's not a movie?
How long is it gonna keep